Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the demo money in Easy Equities. So when you just created an account, you don't know how to buy and you don't know whether the stocks will go up or down, so you can use the demo money that is given to you in order to practice, and that way you would see a live amount going up and down. So in order to do that, you will go, so this is your real account, so this is where you deposit money. But then in the demo money, they actually give you 100,000, and then you can just choose what you want to use. So you have a demo USD account, so where they give you $10,000, and then we have a demo ZAR account where they give you 100,000. So this is money that you can use to practice. So obviously don't try to withdraw because it won't come out because it's just demo money that is used to practice. So as you can see now, I've used some of my demo money in order to see how these stocks will perform. So in order to see, you can just go to Equities, and then you can choose the type of account that you want to open. So let's just see the share. Maybe say you want to buy ABSA share, you can just come to ABSA. So this is the same process that you would use in order to buy your stock or your equities. So now that we are in ABSA, you see that one share is selling at 142. So you can just practice and say maybe you want 2 shares, and then you will buy, and then you will click buy now. So now it will say, congratulations, you have bought. You can view your certificates, you can view the invoice. And then now this is added to your demo account. So when you go to view holdings, you will see all the shares that you have bought and how much money they are making, or if you are losing money. So as you can see, I can see all holdings. So this is what I bought using my demo money. So today I just bought ABSA, and then this is how the loss that I made already. And then this is AB InBev, which I bought some time ago. So as you can see, I'm losing money on this one. But then on the Capitec one, can you see that I am making money on this one? So this will help you into making a right decision whether to continue buying a stock or not to buy the shares. So this is why you would need the demo money in order to do. So you can basically do everything that you can do in your real account. And then when you are ready to buy for real, then you will deposit money into your Easy Equities ZAR and then start buying. So I do have videos that show you how to create an account, how to deposit money, how to invest, and how to do different things on Easy Equities. So you can just watch those videos. But then for today, you can use the demo ZAR or the demo USD. So demo USD is when you want to buy offshore shares. So you can just come and check what share you want to buy. So you can just click here first and click invest now. So when you click invest now, you see these are international shares that you can buy. It's like your Airbnb. Say we will buy Airbnb, then you can just start seeing, let's just say maybe buy 2. Remember, you do have $10,000 in order to spend on this, and then you can say buy at open if it's closed, and then that's your Airbnb, and then you can just see your holdings as well with this one. So this is basically how you would use the demo money. And for those of you who do not know, there's also a BE share, but I'm sure I do have a video specific for that. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and share this so that many people can start buying shares. It is easy, guys. It's just something that we have to do.